Welcome again to the Goddess Temple Palace with me, Queen, Mother Goddess, Opulence, Ra, Enter. Bringing you today one of the wisdom goddesses. Her name is Durga. And I'm going to share with you some of the items, sacred items that she holds in her hands for you to research more on your own. Durga is known to be ferocious to demons and very, very gracious and kind to her devotees. She protects her devotees from all directions, namely the 8 corners and from the sky and the earth. In her hands are held a conch, discus, lotus, sword, bow with arrow, trishul, mace, thunderbolt, snake, and flame. Trishul, gifted to her by Lord Shiva, has 3 sharp edges, meaning that humans are composed of 3 gunas or qualities, namely tamas, inactivity and lethargic tendencies, rajas, hyperactivity and desires, and sattva, positivity and purity. As a trident pierces anything to death, the compassion of Mother Durga shall confer the wisdom necessary to conquer these 3 qualities and emerge victorious. Conch, symbol of the primordial sound called from which the entire creation emerged. It was gifted to Goddess Durga by Lord Varuna. The one above was gifted to her by Lord Shiva. Discuss, revolving around Durga's hands. It shows that Durga is the center of creation and all the universe revolves around her. It was a gift from Lord Vishnu. Lotus. It stands for awakening of spiritual consciousness in a soul. Divine Mother will help her devotees to understand the transience of life and seek the ultimate truth. It was gifted by Lord Brahma. Sword. Khadga. Sword marks the sharpness of intelligence enjoining humans to use the sense of discrimination to overcome their negativity. Bow and arrow. The bow and arrow are the symbols of energy. It was gifted to the goddess by Lords Vayu and Surya. Mace enjoins humans to exhibit loyalty, love, and devotion to Mother Durga. Thunderbolt. This weapon symbolizes firmness of spirit. Praying to Mother Durga will help shatter the problems encountered in life without losing confidence. She empowers her devotees with unshaken confidence and will. It was gifted by Lord Indra. The snake indicates the upward movement from the lowest state of consciousness to the highest state of existence, experiencing pure bliss. The axe. Ma Durga received an axe and an armor from Lord Vishvakarma. It signifies no fear of consequences when fighting with evil. She also reminds me of Sekhmet with the lion and the sword. It would be my honor to have you like, subscribe, comment, and connect with me if you choose on Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube and other platforms. Description in the under the video. Durga is quite a sacred energy, one of the wisdom goddesses I'm honored to share with you. Namaste, Hotepu.